this is how to have Canva help you stay organized for this year. This is what every month I'm going to do, I help you do, and it just made it so much easier to design and keep it all organized. This is first is you want to create a folder. You're going to want to go to projects, and over here add new. You're going to add a new folder, and what you can call it is whatever you want, first and foremost, but I would call it January or March products. Create in January, something like that. Whatever you want to call it, March products, that fits too, right? We created the folder. So I'm going to show you what I did. My folder is called January, February, March products, just like that. And the TTT means Template Treehouse. So what I did is I have all three of the products right here. I have all the clip art right here as well. And I also created a brand kit for each for this month as well, which was super easy because what I did was I just grabbed, let's go up here. I went to colors and fonts. I grabbed all the hex codes and the fonts and made a, see here. And if you have Pro, that is, it will help out. I put the main colors and I put some accent colors, and then put the two fonts and the three fonts that I was going to use. And you could put some graphics and photos in here. What I did was I'm going to go to the folders, projects, folder. Now, how I got all these in is I just went up here to, I think it was right, add new. I want to upload some files. Oh, import Google. I was like, that's not right. No, add new, import Google Drive. And I typed in what this was called, and this was Clipart, I think March. Of course, I named it something else, but I thought I did that. Hold on. Oh, Clipart January for March. Name it something you'll remember. Don't be a Pam. Then I grabbed that, and then what I did is I just checked all of these and just hit import, and it brought them all over here for me. That is beautiful. So before I started the products, create a folder for this month and put in the colors, put in the clip art, everything that I give you that has Canva, just put it all in one folder. And that way you have everything at your disposal right there. I'm going to show you how easy it is to create the products now because I have everything together. And I do plan on doing this that way I know that I need to get these posted. All right. So next video is how we are going to make a product. All right.